Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video, a brand new review. Listen guys, I know there's 1,000,000,001 Jordans dropping right now, and it's only gonna get more and more as the months go on. Holiday season, it keeps rolling on. So let me tell you, do not sleep on this pair of Jordans. These are really nice and I really like them. So without further ado, let's jump into today's video and today's pair of sneakers. That is the Air Jordan 6 Tech Chrome. We have the box here. This should be familiar by now. You've got the black top, the red Jumpman logo. You've got the speckle gray and black print on the bottom. I'll give you a little look at the, the size tag is this side. Never mind. There you go. Take a good look. You've got all of your sizing information, your color code. Break them out, man. This is the Air Jordan 6 in the Tech Chrome colorway. Alright, so of course you have the regular Jordan 6 plastic. It's not paper, it's a very thin sheet of plastic. And look at this, we get 2 extra pairs of laces. I think that's a really cool addition, because I think, you know what, both of these colors are gonna go super well. Sometimes they add a pair of laces in that just look terrible and you're like, I'm never gonna wear these, but I think those can both become a really good addition to this pair of shoes. I'll give you a nice little up close look at the laces there. You've got a smoke gray and this kind of blue, which this blue is a little bit of a theme going on. You have a few elements of that blue color, so it's something to kind of think about if you're going to get these shoes. I think that blue option could look really good, just to add a little bit of color to this pretty subtle colorway. Jordan Brand also blessed us with a chrome Jumpman hang tag. There you go. There is the Jumpman logo, and of course, you know, it's not a big deal and you're never gonna wear this with the shoe, but it is just a nice premium detail that they added. This is quite a big one actually. Now, the first thing to kind of think about with this pair is it is a woman's silhouette. So this is obviously going to come in women's sizing, but of course, what's really cool about this is that it's not a so-called woman's colorway. I think this obviously is a very neutral colorway that anybody can wear. Sometimes some of those other colorways are a bit crazy and something the guys out there may not want to rock, but this is definitely in the middle. So long as you fit in with that lower size range that they released with these, then I say these are a perfect Jordan 6 colorway. If you forgot about these or just didn't even know that these existed, well, I understand completely. It is getting hard to keep up to date with all the releases that are going on right now, but these did release on September the 24th and of course retail for the $190 if you're in the US, or of course over here in the UK, we're getting these for £165. I think the colors and materials just go together so nicely. And no, this is not a collaboration sneaker. This is not some crazy hyped retro colorway. This is just a really solid color that has been slapped on a Jordan 6, and I think that's why I appreciate it, because it's one of those that, you know, it doesn't gather that much hype. It's not something that everybody's talking about, but it still is just a really clean colorway of the Jordan 6. You've got a few things going on with this pair, some things that you may really like and some things that you may not like. In terms of materials, this switches it up quite a bit. For starters, you do have this kind of rougher feeling suede material. Feels very durable and it feels pretty good quality. Of course, you get that suede in this darker, almost charcoal gray color on the toe box. As you move around to the contrasting smoke gray elements that you find, of course, that acts as some of the lace eyelets as well. And probably the elephant in the room, or the most contrast piece that a lot of people are going to find a little bit of an issue with, is this TPU or plastic material that they've put on the side. So this is completely transparent, has loads of perforation holes, so it is still going to be breathable even though it is just a plastic material. Now, okay, you're going to talk about quality and plastic being associated with things of less quality. I get that and I hear you, but I feel like all in all, it kind of works in with this pair quite a bit. You do have this kind of covering, which is in all black underneath, so it's not like you're gonna slide your foot in and be able to see whatever socks you're wearing. On top of the laces, this little patch here, you have an embroidered, almost silver gray looking Jumpman logo. The lace lock comes in translucent material. Of course, has a little blue Jumpman logo, which again, these very small accents of this blue color I am beginning to love. Top of the tongue comes in the regular Jordan 6 material, that kind of rubber with the holes in the sides. Now this is coming in the same gray that you see for the accents on the side, so a very nice smoke gray color. The back pull tab stays true to the Jordan 6 and is that plastic material. However, it's a little bit of a milky translucent material, or a little bit more of a white color. And we've moved down to the midsole. You get a mix of black, this sail color, and again that kind of semi-translucent milky material. I'm so glad they made the midsole a sail color and not a solid white. I think that makes it look just a step bit more premium. Look how that sail color just contrasts with the rest of the shoe. I think it looks really, really good. Now the air unit inside, you can see there's some blue in there, of course, to reference that blue Jumpman logo. So all in all, those blue laces are actually going to be tying the shoe together a little bit. It actually means something. It's not just going to be a random contrast piece. It could actually be a pretty good way of changing up the color on this Jordan 6. Of course, if we're going to talk about sizing, you know what to do. Go your regular, true to size with this pair, in terms of that's how it fits me. Of course, if you've ever tried on a Jordan 6, you know exactly what to do. Go exactly the same size. Now, if you haven't, again, this fits me true to size, so I would recommend that. But hey, listen, that pretty much wraps it up for the Tech Chrome Jordan 6. I really like this pair. Of course, if you do too, let me know down in the comment section. Of course, if you don't like them, let me know as well. Thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, subscribing, joining me here again for another video. Of course, I'll be back with another one, and I hope you guys can join me there real soon. But I will catch you in the next one. But until then.